Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And if you're into Hugs World, and listen, I don't know if you recognize, but this is another Triple Play Saturday, but just let's call it Triple Play Tuesday, right? Now, I couldn't resist. I've seen this awesome watch face, and I'm just trying to get you ready for the weekend early. I know it's not even hump day yet, but this one here is worthy of a download in the Gear Manager store, and it is free for the taking. So remember, free could become paid very quickly. So download, share this with other people so they can enjoy the freebies as well. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's have a closer look at this watch face. Now, the name of it is called Design 1007. Definitely a great look for an analog watch face, and if you notice, all the watch faces today are analog and they all look great. All right, but in the AOD mode with this one, it looks nice. They tweaked it a little bit, which gives it a nicer look in the AOD mode. But once the watch face is on, I like this look. I do like the design, very simple but yet nice. Now what you're going to get is a few dials, and it's going to represent your heart rate, your battery, and also your steps. Then you get your date over here, which looks really nice. But I love the font and the numbers. I like the look, I like the style. I'm giving the developer 2 thumbs up in the door for the creativity and the offering up of a free watch face, right? All right, so if you tap on any dial, it's going to bring up the information from that application, which is going to make life a lot easier for you. Again, I like the fact that it didn't put the icon of that particular application on here, which means that you can dress up in this watch face if you so choose, or dress down. Let that be your choice, right? And if I tap over here, I can get my weather, and it doesn't stop there. This guy continues to give you more. Just simply tap around the bezel of the watch. You got more applications that's at your disposal. Steps, you're gonna get music. I mean, you get everything that's gonna make wearing this watch face very convenient. Again, 2 thumbs up for the developer. I thought he did an awesome job with what he's given. Then if you double tap in the center, you can change the color of the index to color coordinate with whatever it is that you're wearing. And here you go with all white. Definitely worthy of a dress up. And I don't know, people, hit me in the comment section down below. I would love to know your thoughts on this one. I thought the developer got down on this one, especially considering that it is a free watch face. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel and download this watch face ASAP.